Thank you for joining Quaint to take a deeper dive into an important feature within SAP Business One for the accounts receivable function: contact email groups. Hopefully, you have already completed the training session on the Business Partner Master Data for customers. During that session, we reviewed the Contact Persons tab on the Business Partner Data, amongst other things. Within the Contact Persons, we mentioned how the email address was one of the most important fields to populate, as that can help drive communication to your customers' contacts from directly within the SAP Business One system. And now, we want to take a closer look at contact email groups. This feature allows you to assign your business partner contacts to email distribution lists, and as a result, you will be able to email multiple documents to many different recipients, all in one go. This streamlines the communication process to your customers' contacts, especially in the areas of mass emailing of invoices and customer statements within the accounts receivable area. From the Business Partner Master Data Contact Persons tab, you can assign each contact to a specific email group. At this time, you are only able to assign a contact to a single email group. But you can, however, assign multiple contacts within the same customer record to the same email group. In this scenario, Sally Michaels is Earthshaker's AP accountant, seen here, and Trevor Mills is the AP assistant, seen here. They are both within the accountant's email group. Let's now see the email groups being put to use. Let's imagine that your company sends out customer statements once a month. In another session, we will take a deeper look at the customer receivables aging report. But for now, I am going to run the report for all of my customers to get a full picture. You can see here that I have 10 customers with outstanding balances. I'm going to click on the email button in the SAP toolbar in order to generate individual customer statements for each of my customers. Without using email contact groups, SAP simply chooses the email address on the General tab of the Business Partner Master Data to send the customer statement to. This doesn't really give you the flexibility that is needed in a dynamic business to send different email types to different contacts. I would have to manually select the contact at each customer who should receive the customer statements. And I don't really have the ability to add a new row in case I need to email the statement to two contacts at the same company. However, if we choose to use the email group for accountants, for example, we can now see a refreshed list of contacts and email addresses that fall within that email group. As you can see, each customer is receiving a different PDF of the customer statement with their own unique data. And if we look at Earthshaker Corporation, we can see that both AP contacts, Sally Michaels and Trevor Mills, are slated to receive a copy of the customer statement. By clicking Send, you have successfully used email groups to streamline the distribution of customer statements to all of your customers' AP contacts in one shot. Let's now take this one step further and imagine that the next part of your customer statement distribution process is to also follow up with those same AP contacts with copies of all of the outstanding invoices. You can use a combination of SAP's document printing and contact email groups to get the job done quickly and efficiently. Simply navigate to Sales, Document Printing. In this case, I will choose to look only at open AR invoices for all of my customers, excluding canceled documents. Now, I want to email all of these open invoices to my customers' AP contacts. For our purposes today, I will simply select a few rows. And again, click the email button in the SAP toolbar. This will generate individual invoice documents to be emailed out. Of course, I am choosing to use the email group for accountants. The email list is now prepared to be sent out to those specific contacts with the single push of a button. On AR invoice 349, You can see that both Sally Michaels, the AP contact at Earthshaker Corporation, and Trevor Mills, the AP assistant at Earthshaker Corporation, are both set to receive a copy of this document based on their email group designation at the business partner level. We hope that this tool will bring efficiency to your accounts receivable role within SAP Business One.